Hello students, now let us discuss what is physical equilibrium. Physical equilibrium is the equilibrium established between the two states where only physical change occur and no chemical changes occur. For example, if we discuss a case in which H2O solid, that is ice, is in equilibrium with H2O liquid. Here the equilibrium or the opposing forces involves only the physical change, that is H2O solid is converted into H2O liquid. The chemical formula remains same, that is it is a physical change. So the equilibrium involving in this process is a physical equilibrium. We have more example. For example, H2O solid, H2O liquid is in equilibrium with H2O vapors. This is also an example of physical equilibrium in which H2O liquids gets converted to H2O vapor. Similarly, we have other example like H2O solid, I2 solid converting into I2 vapor, which is a sublimation process in which I2 gets directly converted into I2 vapors. Here the molecular formula remains same, that is it is also a physical change. So the equilibrium involving in this process is an example of physical equilibrium. So hope you all understand. Thank you.